Good morning, everybody. Today is Wednesday. We are still in Austin, Texas. We had a little bit of a night for ourselves last night. We are packing up everything, getting ready to go. Before we leave town, we are going to go get a workout in. I think we're doing shoulders, right?
I think so.
We're gonna go do some shoulders. We're gonna actually do a workout with Jason Wittrock today. Haven't really been able to talk to him a whole lot, so we're excited about just getting in there together and doing what we all are passionate about. What else are we doing? We may or may not be heading home today. We have no idea what we're doing. We're playing it by ear.
Up for debate.
Up for debate. But for now, that is all. We'll talk to you guys in a bit.
Alright, y'all. Needs no introduction. Jason Wittrock. We're about to do some shoulders. We got his cameraman here. We're getting angles from all sides.
We're a Big Tex gym, Austin,
Big Tex
Texas,
gym,
baby.
I love it. Like, do a little pan around the gym real quick.
I'm here to learn something, man.
Hey, I'm learning something. I'm really not safe.
Yeah, sorry.
Okay, so this is like a hardcore, nitty-gritty, down and dirty gym. I couldn't wait for you to get here, man. Everybody just throws it down here at Big Tex Gym. It's an indoor-outdoor gym, so it's gonna get hot. Shirts might come off, come flying.
We're gonna be sweating. Especially your dads.
I'm here to learn something, man. Whenever you're around somebody that's like, into the same thing, it's an opportunity for you to learn. So he's gonna be taking me through a workout today. I'm gonna pick up a few tricks, learn a few new weapons. I'm excited, bro.
You gotta throw some new stuff my way, too.
Yeah, I will.
We got it.
I will.
All right, let's kill it. right, y'all, we're wrapping up the workout. Crystal just hit a PR. What was it, 295?
Yep.
295 at Big Tech's gym. We got the MVP right here behind me.
Boy's exhausted, man.
He killed it. He killed it.
Through it. I'm recovering, baby.
I passed the shirt test. It's all sweaty. I left it on because I can't compete with those cuts. Look at that.
Keto power, baby.
Keto power all the way. All right, y'all. Till next time, we're doing this again. Take care. Alright, there's our plate.
I added some
Jason
green leafy
over here.
vegetables.
That's probably the wise thing
I got
to do.
nuts. I got a little bit crazy and added some broccoli to the meat.
He's crazy, man.
And some tomatoes.
Looks good. Looks good. Alright, so that pretty much wraps up this awesome meetup. We had barbecue, we trained shoulders, threw in some deadlifts. I'm giving him like a stash.
I got a
of
whole
bricks.
stash of keto bricks.
So he's gonna try that.
He's supporting my gains.
Yeah, I got him beat by 40 pounds, 30 pounds. He's got me beat by like 10% body fat. So like, we're just trying to
So you
trade
take a
off here.
hybrid of us and it's unstoppable, man.
That's right, that's right.
I had a lot of fun with you, man. I
Hey,
really
man.
did. You're the
High
real
five.
deal.
He is the real deal, you know? Like, we work out, we meet in person, you get these like ideas about people on the internet, but like doing this in person, eye to eye, there's so much that we talked about, it's not even on the vlog, you know?
Yeah, we talked about everything.
Yeah, and like, we're gonna do it again because we like each other, so.
Yeah, there'll be a lot more collaborations.
Here's to next
for
time.
Sure.
Here's to next time.
Keep up the
Yeah.
good work, guys.
See you, buddy.
All right.
All right, y'all, we're trying to find a Starbucks. Crystal, we're about to go to Arkansas. And Crystal's like, I gotta have a Starbucks. So I'm like, okay, give me an address. So she took me to like this downtown University of Texas college campus Starbucks. People everywhere, students everywhere, can't park anywhere, can't find a Starbucks. All these people are looking at us driving the big black brick. What do you do? Taking a little pit stop at Buc-ee's. We're gonna get something to drink, get some water, see what we can see. This is the biggest Buc-ee's we've been to yet. This brand of underwear is called My Package. Very interesting. Getting gas right now. I bought a Arctic tumbler. I'm just totally blacked out on everything. We're going blacked out on everything, y'all. By the way, yo, we just rolled over 1,000 miles on the van. Breaking it in strong and steady with KetoCon. 1,000 miles down. I need to stay hydrated, stay up on my potassium. How do you do that? Let me show you. Alright, so we have some Zip Fizz. 950 milligrams of potassium. Starbucks water. Boom. That's the way to do it. I'm with an animal. Look at what she's doing. Just like eating, like grab a bite. Oh, that's a freaking block of cheese right there.
I'm not eating the whole thing.
I'm not really.
Alright guys, it is a little after midnight. We're exhausted. We still have about probably 2.5 hours left until we make it to Robert's parents' house where we were supposed to be staying tonight. But we're not going to make it if we do not stop somewhere and sleep for a minute. So we have the hammocks hung in the back of the van and we're just gonna lay down for like 20 minutes or so, catch up on our rest, and get back on the road.
Alright, y'all. We were supposed to just take a little nap. Little nap turned into all night sleep. So, let's start the next day's vlog. Here we go.